Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can speed up your store on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, most of the things you're going to be doing, or rather pretty much all of them, are going to have to do with the online store theme, which you're using, which you can change and edit to your liking, and I'm going to go over some certain things that you need to do. Now, you might have apps which might help with optimization, however, I would not trust those since pretty much they don't have anything to do with this. So what you want to do to edit your theme is just go into themes, click on customize, and here you can make the changes. Now what you're going to need to do is make sure wherever you have images or anything of the sort, you're going to make sure that the images are not of a too high resolution, so they should fit the frame that you're planning on using for those images. They don't need to be larger. Larger images take up more space and more detail, even when it's not apparent with the screen that you're using or the theme that you're using. It is going to take up graphics processing memory, so people who have either bad graphics cards or using integrated graphics or anything of the sort will have a lower speed or a less satisfying speed of your store. So just keep in mind, use as low fidelity or low quality, low resolution images as you need. Do not go higher than you need to, and do not go lower, since you also do want your images to be as pretty as possible. But yeah, that is pretty much method one. I would also recommend, if you have any animations, to not have them, since they also take up processing and graphics processing power. Now you can do that, or you can go ahead and change your CSS settings. CSS is basically just formatting of the content of your site. So if you go over into edit code and then go ahead and go into assets, here you can find a lot of CSS files which you can change to make them more bare bones and to take up less resources. And that is basically all you need to do. That's basically all you can do, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.